Hello everyone. Insert stupid fucking meme here. And today I am here with the McDonald's food review. And today I am going to be trying the fillet of fish, the Big Mac, and I'm going to be eating some chicken McNuggets. Now, let me just say, before we get into this, that I hope I don't throw up during the video, or later. But I want you guys to note that the windows are open, because this time of year where I live, I feel like it's either really hot or it's raining. And I kind of hate both of them, but I'd rather it be really hot than raining. Because then I can mow the frickin' grass. But anyway, so I think I'm going to start in the order that I showed you the items. And as a joke, I kind of have the windows open too in case I need to throw up. But I think I'm going to start off trying the items in the order that I pulled them out of the bag. So we're going to start off with the fillet of fish. And this side here says, "The Bering Sea sends its regards. Wild caught Alaskan pollock." And if that's not how you say pollock, then correct me, if you dare. But just know that I will look for you, I will find you, and I will kill you. Okay? I will find you, I will find out where you live, and I will kill you if you have the guts to correct me. So, without further ado, this isn't even symmetrical. Look at this thing. Oh my god, it's sliding all over the place because of the mayonnaise. Well, it seems like the fish is melted onto the cheese, so I can't move the fish at all, but you see how unsymmetrical it is. Dude, my stomach knows what's about to happen, because my stomach's already starting to, my stomach wants to commit suicide right now. It is basically telling me that it wants to commit suicide. I'm not even joking. I wish I was, guys. So, oh, I also want to note that, check this out, guys. McDonald's is as gay as Taco Bell. They didn't give me fucking napkins again! I don't know how many restaurants are gonna try to not give me napkins, but that's Taco Bell and that's McDonald's. That's two of them already. And it's just not good. It's not good at all. No. So, McDonald's did not give me any napkins. So they are fucking gay too! Anyway, so as I was gonna say, if you watched the Taco Bell food review, and I think I did this in the Sonic food review too, but the Sonic food review is kind of its own entity. It's kind of different. And I'm not going to get into it here. However, if you know from that video, I only eat a little bit. Well, I eat a few bites of what the item is so that you guys just... I think a security light just turned on. I don't know why. It's like 4:10, 4:15 in the afternoon. Anyway, so because I know that you guys don't want to see me just eat an entire burger or taco or whatever the fuck I'm eating, just sit there for like a few minutes and just eat one of those. No, I know you guys don't want to see me eat one of those, but if you do, just let me know. I can make it happen. Good. This is plain. I ordered it plain. I would have been a little bit upset if McDonald's would have given it to me and it wasn't plain. You know? Just look at it. God. Hold on, I don't want the sesame seeds dropping in my car, so let me just throw the top bun in here. In here. Freaking light! God damn you, son! You see that? And then there's some grill marks there. Looks like an alright burger to me. Well, time to eat this thick Mac, if you will. Okay, so this Big Mac it's better than I thought it would be, actually. I can tell I'm hungry. Let me drink some water. Help me get this down quicker. I'm gonna get this down my hallway whenever I get done filming this video. I'm gonna walk into my house, I'm just gonna yeet it down my hallway and and down my stairs, and it's gonna be a great experience. Okay, put that down there. And then time to move on to the nuggets. Indeed, there are 6 of them in there. I'm glad that they can count. And hold on, I'll save it for the end. I wish I had some napkins to wipe off my forehead, but I don't. And it's rather unfortunate. You know, despite the fact that no one really knows what's in these nuggets, they are better than what I remember too. I know it's like chicken paste or something like that, but... Or maybe they fixed it because... It tastes like meat. But then again, I prefer Crystal's new nuggets that they have. Sorry, McDonald's, I know that this is supposed to be about you, but I tried the new Crystal Chick Nuggets, they call them, and I really like those a whole lot. And whenever I do make my Crystal's food review, I don't know when that'll be, because I want to do a few places, like Hardee's, Crystal, maybe even Waffle House. Just places that I can think of. And then just go from there. Freaking sweat. My God. But then again, this is a black shirt, so it doesn't help. But this is kind of a... I don't want to say this is a meme shirt, but it's a shirt that I really love. Freaking bug. So, what I was going to say is that... You know, for a restaurant, the quote-unquote dead period, well, restaurant or fast food, the dead period, quote-unquote, is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And in case you've never worked in food service, or fast food, for that matter, that is generally the time between lunchtime and supper where not a whole lot of people eat. I mean, think about it. Do you know of anyone that consistently eats lunch or supper between, well, a whole lot of people that consistently eat lunch or supper between 2 and 5 p.m.? There's not a whole lot of people, I bet you. And this is that quote-unquote dead period right now. As I mentioned, it's like 4:15, 4... Oh! I vomited in my throat. But yeah, so as I was mentioning, it's like 4:15, 4:20. I'm not gonna make a 4:20 joke. I'm gonna resist it. And thus, well, this ticket here says 3:50 p.m. right here. So, but my point is that nothing seems really hot, and sure, I did talk to the person you pay in the drive-thru a bit because he knows me and I kind of know him, but by the time I drove up to the window where you pick it up, it was already ready for me. I mean, sure, there was no one else in the drive-thru too, but everything tastes all fresh. So, I guess not everything is supposed to taste hot and, you know, hot off the grill, or it's supposed to be hot off the grill. I was gonna say fresh off the grill, but that's not quite the wording I'm looking for. And what I'm trying to get at is that I don't think they made my food right then and there. If they did, that is really impressive, but I really doubt it. I really doubt it. And I kind of want to throw up, but I kind of don't want to throw up. I kind of want to throw up for a couple of reasons. Well, one is because I want to get this nasty food out of my system. And two, I don't want to work tomorrow. But I realize I guess I'll have to either way. So I guess the best way to clean out my system is water. So just for you guys, well, the people that wanted me to eat a whole burger or all those nuggets on camera, you can just sit back and watch me drink. Hold on, I have 2 bottles of water here. Well, I'm not going to drink 2, but there's only this much. Just perform a transfusion. So now I'm going to clean out my system. I will take care of those whenever I walk inside, don't worry. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. So, for those of you that, just as I was gonna say, was hoping I'd eat a whole burger and you sit there and watch me, well, just kick back, relax, and watch me drink this much water. Yeah, that's what that was originally, but it's just straight water now. So just kick back, relax, and watch me drink this whole thing of water. God. Apparently I was a thirsty boy. Oh my God. Well, guys, I do believe that will do it. Well, since I've reviewed pretty much everything here that I've got, I think that will do it for this McDonald's food review.